Caribbean men are the most unserious men on the planet.
Ever.
Yes, ladies. Yes, ladies.
Hello.
I'm going for lunch.
With 20 US on a flight.
One of my friends refused to take me to the movie. I'm gonna take the pork meal, the mac and cheese, pig salad, stir fried chop. Ooh. Thank you. I never. Let's try the black coffee. It's actually not that bad. It's just sour. And I prefer the oil. Okay. It's not that bad. Cheers!
I know, right? What I know? What? But wait.
You hook it up from one
Fries. No ketchup, tartar sauce. Fried tartar sauce.
The depths of St. Lucia right now, we're in Grand Riviere. I can't tell you how I get paid and I can't tell you how to get back.
Alright, my love. If you guys decide to go food and you're passing by close by me, hit me up. If not,
You out of our way for food.
okay, fine. I will sit here and starve.
Hey guys, it's day 2 and we're heading to where? Soufre. We're going to the hot springs, waterfall. We're gonna deliver a cake for a birthday guy or birthday girl? Birthday. I guess it's a girl, it was pink. A birthday girl. So let's go. We have Leon driving today. Well, she's gonna be driving every day. I'm gonna show you what outfit I'm wearing when I get a chance. Yes, I'm going to take a picture with a snake. Well, hold it. And when I have it in my hand, I'm going to bring it and put it on Leon.
No, you won't. No, you fucking won't.
Because I don't understand why she's afraid of snakes. But if I'm being honest, so
I'm
I'm
snake, I'm
so
afraid of
am I.
Just one.
I don't like snakes at all.
Oh my god.
This one is he's not supposed to be like
Hello, why are you walking? Do not walk towards me. Mm? That's a nice photo. Go ahead, go now.
where you hit.
Okay, well I'm gonna take the chocolate. You pick a different flavor so I could try another one. They have saltfish. This is the cassava. Hello, and then they make it into that bread.
Towards when to see it.
It's like a pudding. Shimali, so bring it back a kitchen. Try it. Go ahead. Okay. So we have to walk, had to park, and then take a 5 minutes walk down to the beach. And I'm telling you, my knee hurts because I have 2 drum with me and a bag full of gadgets and towel and all kind of story. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm hot. Like hot as in hot and hot as in the place is hot. Ooh. But we soon reached because the gentleman, he said it was just 5 minutes walk and we could get a shuttle back up. Oh, look at the beach. It's nice already. I myself didn't want to wear black. I wanted to wear color when I do come to this place. Oh shit, I'm gonna shut up because this view is cute. Nice. So really and truly, we were supposed to go to the sulfur spring and the waterfall, but we were dropping these 2 girls here because they interns, and since it was a very lengthy drive, we just said we're gonna stay, and I'm happy we did. Look at that. So we're at Sugar Beach, and how much it is? 100 US to rent a chair. So it's a no for us. So we're on the sand with our towels. So we have some spectacular views. And it's hot. It's extremely hot. I can't see because my glasses weren't clean, and if I take off my glasses, I can't see. And that's squint my eyes like this. It's raining. And Leah went with the extra avocados because I don't eat avocado.
For some reason, I don't like big chicken.
The water is so nice. Like you can see. Sugar Beach, sorry, it's so freaking beautiful.
Try to get some more things.
Where you staying at?
Her place.
Oh, she's a friend.
Cousin. Every time I come to Lucia, this is where I buy my pizza from. Sorry, you guys have pepperoni? I could get 2 from my time, I would see. Anyways, guys, we're going to watch the parade today. We didn't go yesterday because we woke up extremely late. So we just went to get something to eat and chill with a classmate from college days, a Leon friend. However, we're going to watch the parade today. It's raining like real bad. It would be nice to be in the parade and it's raining. I mean, I would have danced in the rain, but me, I don't want to get wet because the makeup. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what to say. Bomberclad. Yeah, because you don't know what you want to do. Anyways, yes, we're going to watch the parade today. Today's day 2. So, I'm excited. The only thing it's raining, but I'm excited.
What is he doing?
So, top is from Pretty Little Thing, along with skirt. It was a long skirt, I cut it off. And the shoes, Rick Owen. we know Bianca. Marigo Bay. And we have to catch a ferry to get to that bay. And it's $5 round trip, 5 EC. So that is not bad at all, even though it's free. No, not yet. I'm not come back. So we're on the ferry.
Today's luxurious Saturday.
Is it?
Yeah, because today we're gonna be going on the luxurious boat. Yeah, so you just pay $5 each person or $2 US.
It's like literally seconds.
Like I should have had it red. You'll have ice green and I should have been red.
Red. True. Mm. So beautiful.
Okay, we'll be ready by then. Just something you will and you smell. Makes a nice video.
Okay. I'm good.
If you guys take
My friend.
chairs, I give you a
Hello.
meet you. What's your
Nice to
name?
meet you too. Lisa.
Nice to meet you. Very pretty.
Me a bowl.
Huh?
A bowl.
Okay,
I just paid $25 for this shit. Barely jelly water, barely alcohol. You're basically paying for the coconut.
That's why I took
So we have both and we're gonna shake our asses.
I mean,
Not, you done. Once we got a lot of monkeys for sure.
Come on. Martin, I'm on Facebook.
I feel like a picture.